episode of Rose and Gold. I'm your host, Black King Sebastian, and this is my lovely co-host, Dr. Ross.
Good evening, everyone.
Let's get into our hot topics for today. Starting it off with the Capitol. The Capitol was bomb rushed by vandals, and this was all for malicious intent.
Well, Black King Sebastian and I, as always, we always say it on the Rose and Gold, we don't get into political news. We do tell the current events for the Rose and Gold topics because it's the current events, but we don't get into anything political.
But Dr. Ross and I, we believe that Trump should be impeached. He should be taken out of office.
But we're not going to stick on that. Like I said, let's get into our hot topics. For our first hot topic, we're going to mention Tyrese. So Tyrese is saying that $20,000 is an unreasonably high amount for his wife and his daughter, and he's saying he didn't lock them out of the house.
Tyrese, listen here. If she's been going to the house for 10 years and the key doesn't fit, the locks were probably changed. And second of all, $20,000 is sufficient. From player to player, stop. Let's move into our next hot topic with Jordyn Woods. We know that she's been out of the topics for a while now, but I just had to bring this up, Dr. Ross, because it looks like she's trying to get the Kim K flair. As you can see, she's got the junk in the trunk, and we'll insert the photo right here. But she was out chilling with her boyfriend, and she took a rare photo, as they were saying.
Well, Black King Sebastian, you can't deny that. What's her name? Jordyn Woods has always had the pump in the trunk, and even though she got a little bit of things done, she didn't have to because she's already a little bit thicker than the rest of them, a little bit chunkier, but we're not hating on you. And enjoy the time that you're spending right now with your basketball boyfriend, but...
Exactly. Let's move into our next hot topic with Kim K and Kanye West. So amid their divorce rumors, Kim K plans on a stable lifestyle for her and Kanye West's 4 kids.
There's nothing stable when you have Kanye in the picture, and that's all I'm going to say about that topic, because I know you guys heard about the recent rumors, a little bit of shaky waters with Jeffree Star, but we're not going to go into that. Let's get into our hot topic with Denzel Washington. Apparently his new Netflix series is coming out, and Black King Sebastian, I'm going to tell you right now, I'm personally very excited for this Denzel Washington TV show. It's going to be called The Little Things, and Denzel Washington plays an investigator who is trying to figure out the murders of multiple of these different women, but they show a clip at the end of the trailer where it looks like he's actually the real person, but he's been trying to pick at all these other things, and it just seems like a fantastic show coming out.
We see that you're going to be in a show pulling a bit of a twist, a curveball on us, and hopefully this film or TV series is as great as The Equalizer was. I personally loved the second film.
I already know it's going to be a great movie. With any movie or TV show with Denzel Washington, I've seen Black King Sebastian that it's proved that it's a good show and a good movie.
And Denzel might even put his son in it. You never know.
Or you can put Black King Sebastian and I in it, because you know what? Black King Sebastian and I are always ready, and we're always hungry, and we can do anything that you throw at us.
Exactly. I don't know what I'm doing today, but I'm ready. Let's move into our next hot topic with, you all know him, the boy, Machine Gun Kelly. So Machine Gun Kelly, he recently did the one song, My Bloody Valentine. He did a performance for the New Year's Rockin' Eve. What are your thoughts on this, Dr. Ross?
Somebody needs to tell him to stop trying to cosplay as flamingos, and that's all I'm gonna say about that. Speaking of music, though, Cardi B is getting criticized by her fans. They're calling her a hypocrite because she didn't let her 2-year-old listen to WAP. Let me just say one thing right here. Your fans need to... Have they ever even heard the song WAP? Why in any reason is she gonna let her 2-year-old daughter listen to the WAP?
But Dr. Ross, one thing I have to say is that the daughter's probably already seen enough, considering the mother is a scripper. No offense to you, Miss Collard B. Collard Greens, I call you. Let's move into our next hot topic with J-Lo. J-Lo, she's been in the news like crazy recently, but she's back again wearing a tight and small red bikini.
You know, we're not going to hate on you. It's winter time, but I guess you're already moving fast into the heated weather because you're spicing things up. But J-Lo, we don't have much to say about you because it's always the same topics. You're beautiful, you're gorgeous. We'd like to make music with you. And that's all it. Speaking of outfits though, Larsa Pimpin decided to make a statement and she wore a trash bag and no mask out. And she said it's a date night dining out with her girls in Miami. What are your thoughts, Black King?
Larsa Pippin's trying to make the new style, as I can see.
In Miami, I don't know if they're gonna clown you for, but Larsa's scandalous enough to pull it off. I saw the outfit she was wearing. It's not too bad, but you have enough money not to wear a trash bag.
And Larsa, you were our winner for the She's Hot contest. So obviously, you're going out there and you know how to make this look good.
Speaking of people who can't make things look good, though, Black King Sebastian, so people are just clowning The Weeknd on the internet. People are saying he looks like Bella Hadid's twin. And actually, before we get into that, Bella Hadid's mother, the Real Housewives of Beverly Hills,
Thumbs down. This is a thumbs down for me, Dr. Ross.
She was saying none of her daughters have ever gotten anything done with anything, and I think that's possibly a lie.
Most likely that is alleged. But moving back to The Weeknd, we know that you recently had the nose job and your face got all puffy, but
Exactly.
You should not have taken out all of the fat in your cheeks, because now it does not look good.
I'm gonna agree with Black King Sebastian. You know, they did say that Michael Jackson has passed away, but it looks like he's trying to be reincarnated right here. So
The King of Pop. But obviously The Weeknd, he's nowhere near the King of Pop.
And we're not downgrading you, we're just giving you a little bit of the tough love from the Rose and Gold channel.
Indeed. Let's move into our final hot topic and end it off with a bang, with the Fast and the Furious 9. So if you guys haven't seen it, the recent trailer has just released, and Dr. Ross and I are hyped for the new film.
Exactly. I'm glad Tyrese is still in the movies. He's still working out his problems. Sadly, they did say that The Rock will not be in this movie because of all the conflict.
And Dr. Ross, with Tyrese, with the cha-ching you're getting from this film, $20,000 is sufficient for your wife and daughter. But for all of the other people in the film, or the actors in the film, there's the John Cena as well as the main character. You all
Vin
know.
Diesel.
Exactly. He is returning back for the 9th film, and John Cena is actually supposed to, get this, be his brother.
I'm not hating on it. As long as they're getting their cheddar and they're doing what they love, it's good. And I'm glad, no disrespect to The Rock, but I'm glad they finally told him to sit down because, these other players out here, they don't need to be competing with The Rock when The Rock has every single role on the table. But Black King Sebastian and I, once again, will be available for the next Fast and Furious.
Exactly. Hit us up at Rose and Gold. In regards to The Rock as well as Tyrese and Vin Diesel, they were supposed to be making the Fast and the Furious 9 as a competition towards The Rock's film, the spin-off of the Fast and the Furious. But Dr. Ross and I, we don't know who will be the winner. But the Fast and the Furious 9, the original, might be better than the Memorex.
Exactly.
Kylie Jenner, let's be in the next Fast and the Furious. In fact, let's make our own Fast and the Furious. That's for you. And Tyrese, pay the bills. $20,000 is sufficient. And you're making $10 million off of this film. Break bread.
Peep the game. Peep the game.
Exactly.
Rock, Vin Diesel, let's see who's going to win this competition right here.
But other than that, we